Okay, good morning, students. Today, in strategic management, in MBA fourth semester, we are going to deal the topic that is strategies for internet economy. Okay, strategies for internet economy. In this strategies for internet economy, in this unit, this is the last unit in strategic management portion or subject. That is a very important unit where we are going to learn about the entire use of internet, that how does the organization use the internet, and with the help of those internet technology, how they are going to deal the functions of an organization. This is a very important point, and in this we have to know about the strategies, that what are those strategies which the organization is going to implement. So with the help of those strategies, how does it affect the economy? If we are going to implement internet, if we are going to plan the various systems and methodologies of internet, then how we are going to deal with those internet technology. Okay, how we are going to look upon the internet technology with the help of which we are going to use the internet on behalf of various manpower in the organization, so that the economy of the organization, the economy of the nation would be boosted. How it is going to affect the economy of the organization. Okay, as we know that in the entire strategy, there are various three important human resource activities. Number one, people as a resource. Okay, in this people as a resource, what we have studied? We have studied about the personal and organizational competencies. Okay, and in this entire personal and organizational competency, what we have did, there are various types like audits to assess HR recruitments, to support strategies or identify people based core competency on which future strategies might be built. Okay, this is a very important part which is being related to the personal and organizational competencies of the entire organization, where we are using people as a resource. Now, when we are using people as a resource, then at that moment, what we have to do, we have to take the assistance, we have to take the help of computer systems, and on that computer systems, we are going to take the help of online services, that we have to make the things real time. Real time means what? Whatever the things which is being studied, whatever the thing which is being planned, implemented, that should be done at various levels at a particular time only. That is known as what? Real time or online system. And that online system give birth to the entire internet. So today, the entire organization, there is no such organization in the entire world which is being left aloof from internet. Each and every organization is using internet today. As you people are observing that at this time of pandemic, what is being done? All schools and colleges, if we talk about the example of schools and colleges, then all schools and colleges near about in the entire world is being closed. But the functions, the activities, the teachings, the examinations, the tests, the admissions, everything is going on, and going on in a very smooth manner. Okay, there is no such problem. Problems are there. Why? Because the people are not aware with the latest technology. They are using the technology with the help of manuals. Students are also applying what? Manual technologies. Students are being taught from the very class nursery, that they have to move to the class, they have to sit there, a teacher will come and they will give lecture, they will teach them, and various kinds of disciplines are being taught. But today, in this time of pandemic, each and everything is being changed. Most of the students have learned that how they are going to use this internet technology to make themselves benefit. Today, most of the work activities of the organizations are being done with the help of internet only. Okay, here we students are availing facilities while sitting in their homes. Their classes are being done, these types of online lectures are being dealt, and the students are getting benefit from this. Okay, and as well as everywhere online examinations and tests and evaluations are being done. Students are being promoted on the basis of these online examinations, and most of the organizations are very much successful in taking the examination, in taking the admissions, in taking various activities of the colleges. Say for example, if we talk about our college, that is Marwadi College, then our college is also very much successful in taking online examinations, in giving online lectures to the students. Our entire management of Marwadi College under our principal Dr. UC Mehta is doing very well, is doing very good, and performing in a very high performance rate, where everything is being done in a very smooth manner. Students are getting their IDs, students are getting their admissions, students are getting their lectures, students are getting each and every notices from the notice board of the Marwadi College websites. Students are getting benefits from various online activities which is being developed in Marwadi College. Just like this, there are humongous number, lakhs and crores of universities, colleges and schools are there which are teaching, which are taking the activities in this manner. So what they are doing? They are dealing their activities, not just this industry. If we talk about education industry, then this is not just being prevalent to education industry. It is being prevalent to entire industry. If we talk about the textile, if we talk about the agri, if we talk about the telecommunication, if we talk about the finance, if we talk about the automobile, if we talk about the courier services, then all those activities, if we talk about the IT industry, then each and every industry, each and every organization have developed what? Have developed the internet technology, are being used, are being very much successful in using the internet technology, and they know the importance, the significance of this internet, that with the help of internet they can run the nation, they can run the country, they can run the states, they can run the administration, they can run the organization, and nothing will stop. All the information which should be transferred from one level to the other level of an organization can easily transferred, can easily planned while making the strategies, and those strategies are being implemented while using the medium that is internet. And this internet technology has given many boost to our economy. Okay, and this helps the entire world to become a global village. Today we are getting the information, today we are getting the news. Earlier, around say 5 to 10 years back, okay, if we have to know the news of Delhi or Kolkata or Bangalore, then what we have to do? We have to tell our newspaper hawkers that they will provide us the newspaper which is being used or which is being published in Delhi or which is being published in Bangalore or Kolkata. But today we don't need that. What we need, we just need a connection of internet and few softwares. With the help and few application softwares, with the help of these two, we can access to the entire world. Whether we are going to take the information of America, England, France, Japan, China, any of the nation of the entire world, we are going to take the information with the help of internet and few of the softwares. So this makes the economy fast. This makes people realize that while using the internet technology, they can develop a strong nation. They can develop a strong economy with the help of which the people can work and lead. Okay, so this is what the very important part, where people as a resource with assistance with internet, they can do the activities related to personal and organizational competencies as well as performance management. Okay, the next important part here in the economic development, that is related to what? People and behavior. Exactly, the behavior of the people is also very much necessary for the development of economy, because these people are the only one who follow the things. Because without people, we are not going to do the things earlier. So while taking the help of internet, the personal behavior and collective behavior of the people are also being known. Today, this personal and collective behavior of the people are being done by various social sites, say Facebooks, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Twitter. These are what? These are the different types, these are the different mediums which the people are using just to do what? Just to have a personal behaviors as well as collective behavior, so that the economy of the nation would be dealt. Okay, and the very important strategy which is being related with the people assisting the internet, that is assisted by the internet, that is organizing people. Exactly, this is also a very important part, that is known as what? Organizing people. And today, if we are going to organize the people, then what we are going to do? We are going to deal with the HR functions, human resource functions, and entire human resource functions is being dealt with the help of that internet technology, as well as line managers and structures and processes. Today, the entire organization structures and processes are also being run, also being developed, also being used with the help of these things. Okay, so, and if we talk about the performance today, the entire internet, the strategy of the organization is being developed with the help of internet, which is a new chapter. And today the organizations are coming, their strategies are putting their strategies into action with the help of internet, which helps in developing the economy of the nation. Okay, and which helps in dealing with the performance management system also. That if we talk about the internet, if we talk about the strategies while using the internet and strategies with the help of which we are going to develop the entire economy, then there are around three very basic questions which we have to consider. Those are what are the advantages in systematizing performance management in the ways. Okay, next, what are the dangers and pitfalls? This also we have to deal with, which will help to know the condition or situation of the economy, as well as organizations where you think systems would be either particularly appropriate or particularly inappropriate. Okay, that whether we are going to deal with these systems while using the internet, whether they are appropriate or whether they are inappropriate. So on that we are going to deal with the 4 to 5 important points. Those are initiative management. Exactly, this is a very important term, initiative management, that organization should have to take a bold initiative while launching the applications, while using the work activities, the functions of the organizations or strategies would be made so that we can use internet for the development of the economy, okay, which helps organization execute on their business strategy by focusing people on a strategic initiative such as responding to new competitors, launching a product or inventing in the new line of business. When an initiative is identified, organizations can readily define corresponding goals and required competencies and assign and select cross-functional team members, all while maintaining visibility over the entire initiative process. Exactly, this is a very important part. The other important part, that is goal alignment. Exactly, if we are going to deal the strategies related with the internet, okay, and how they are going to deal with the development of the economy, then at that time we have to look upon the alignment of our goals. That is a very necessary part, which allows top down visibility for executives to understand in real time how well their organization is executing, okay, and such as goals not being achieved on time. It also allows people to view how their own goals impact and contribute to the strategic goals of the organization. Additionally, the product includes a time-bound action plan feature that supports assigned goals, prior accomplishments and required learning activities. Okay, goals in the action plan are perspective and can be based on the person's role or on a strategic initiative. Okay, the third important point which deals, that is performance assessment. Exactly, this is very much necessary. If we are going to deal the strategies with the help of internet, then we have to look upon the performance also. Okay, performance offers powerful performance assessment capabilities designed to increase the productivity of individuals and the overall organization. Assessments can be deployed across the extended enterprise of suppliers, customers and partners, allowing management to accurately assess people's performance and suggest improvements. Okay, so this is very important term. And last, what is being done? Enterprise learning. This is very important. Enterprise learning, that is, unlike performance management system that do not deliver learning interventions to help people achieve their goals, it can be seamlessly integrated together, and enterprise learning help organizations focus learning resources on organizational and competency goals and maximize the return on investment of learning efforts. Okay, so this is a very important point which should be considered in the internet. So today these are the things which we are going to consider when we are going to deal the strategy with the help of internet, and how they are going to deal or develop the economy of a nation. Okay, students, thank you to all of you.